And in today's video, Hasselblad and OPPO X8 Pro. This one I'm gonna go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, and we're on a wide-angle lens. Video stabilization looks good. Vlogging style, this is how it's going to look like. Oh, it's getting windy. But we do have noise cancellation. Is there any difference? Do you still hear the noise? Wind noise? Hope not. If we do, I will do some magic in the post-production. Da Vinci magic. Alright. Alright. I turn off that noise cancellation. It is loud in here. Main lens. 2x. 5, 6, 7, 18. Can you read the license plate? Yes, you can. Going back. Let's move to another side. Do we have autofocus in the wide-angle lens? What does that mean? It means macro mode. Yes, we do, and there's tons of details. Oh, what is that? All right. And it is quick. Main lens. A bit slower, but still available. Telephoto. Available. 3x. Available, but a bit slow. And 6x. When I go close to that lamp, yeah, it is available. So wide angle it is. We can pause the video or take a photo, but we cannot switch lenses front and back during the recording. And that's the front facing camera in 4K 60. And when I'm out of the frame, it should compensate. It's quite slow with the compensation. It will compensate, but it's slow. Alright, check out my face. How dark I am when I'm entering the frame. 3, 2, 1, go. Face is dark, and now it's going to brighten up my face. That's what it does. Alright. Full length of my arm. Extremely stable. Wow, such a stable. I'll comment when I see on a smartphone. On YouTube, this could be a completely different story, but on the smartphone, it looks very stable. Do we have autofocus in the front-facing camera? No, we don't. What does that mean? It means details won't be available. No details. No macro. That's what I want to say. Macro. Okay, it's semi-okay. You can still see some details, but not like super macro details. Do you really need super macro details? It all depends on your shooting. This menu is basically identical to the OnePlus 13. It is identical. We do have master mode for RAW and JPEG. We do have video. And with super zoom, that's basically the same. 4K 60. How much crop are we going to have? Actually, same resolution, but a little bit of crop. And in the main lens, it's not such a huge difference. Check out the building on at the top, or right there. It's okay. 5%, maybe 10. Okay, 10. In the photo, we can do zoom all the way to 120, which is, well, quite big. Let's take a photo. Nice. You can see what's in there. All right. Some further subject is needed, like that vehicle, all the way to 120. All right, let me test those pictures, and we also have a macro shot. But there's like, you can do it from the telephoto. You don't need that button. Just switch to the 3x and it'll be basically the same. You see, it's automated. We also have a live photo. So what it does is take a small video and take a frame from it. But in the gallery, you will have a small video too. So it's quite annoying. There's also an EV exposure and filters. Like tons of them. All right. Portrait. Because we all know what portrait is. Switching to the wide angle in the portrait. Make that bokeh effect. That's okay. Let me go further. We have dual video. so I can shoot with 2 cameras at the same time. Alright. How do I exit that? Expand movie, but that's only in 30 frames per second. In the Vivo is in 60, but we can do a wider one. Yeah, that's 30, but such a wide view. Check this out. Wow. Now that is impressive. Also, AI photo, dual high resolution, and expand. Expand. Bam. Let's continue to photos. Colors. Well, it's a Hasselblad, so I expect nothing more than greatness, and it will deliver. Look at that. Look at the color accuracy. It is not over sharpening the image. It looks flawlessly. Hasselblad is the #1 in this photo department from many years, and it's still killing it in the OPPO.
Someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul.
And do we see any flares? Not really. Zoom. Oh, that's awesome. That sign looks beautiful. And we have to go back and wide angle. That is just great quality Hasselblad. Device is equipped with a slider similar to the iPhones, and with that slider you can zoom very intuitively. If you press it, it will take a picture or take a video. If you hold, it will take tons and tons of pictures. Well, if I unmute it, cool, very nice. If you want the device at the lower price, link in the description. There's a discount code also in the description. See you next video.